What if I told you that the secret to unlocking fluent English is not endless grammar drills, but simply turning the last page of the book? Learning English through stories is one of the most natural and effective methods. When you immerse yourself in a narrative, you encounter vocabulary and grammar in context, making it easier to understand and remember. But there is a crucial step many learners miss: consistently reaching that final page. The last page of the book is not just about finishing a story. It is about the comprehensive understanding and sense of accomplishment that comes with seeing a narrative through to its conclusion. Here is why reaching that last page is so powerful for your English learning journey. First, it consolidates your understanding. As you progress through a story, you build a mental map of characters, settings, and events. Reaching the end allows all those pieces to click into place, reinforcing new words and grammatical structures you have encountered along the way. Second, it builds stamina and perseverance. There will be challenging sentences and unfamiliar words, but pushing through to the end teaches you to use context clues and tolerate ambiguity, skills essential for real-world English communication. Each completed book is a small victory, boosting your confidence and motivation. Finally, it cultivates a love for the language. When you get lost in a good story, English stops being a chore and becomes a gateway to new worlds and ideas. That emotional connection makes learning sustainable and enjoyable. So, how do you apply this? Start with stories appropriate for your level. Do not worry about understanding every single word. Focus on the main idea. And most importantly, commit to turning that last page. Embrace the journey from the first word to the end. You will not only enjoy a great story, but you will find your English skills growing page by page until you too reach your fluent last page.